Hi everyone, it's Chloe Bruce here from the Chloe Bruce Academy. Welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to do around the world with a 360 full body rotation. If you haven't seen around the world yet, please click the link here to learn that tutorial before coming to this one. If not, here's what we're going to learn today. So grab yourselves a bow staff if you don't have one in your hands already, a piece of wood, a broom handle, anything that can get you spinning and moving with today's tutorial. So we already know the movement pattern we're going to be doing with the bow staff. The only difference being when you do the hand transition in front of you, instead of coming round here in front of you, you're going to take the arms up. So that's the only difference with the bow staff work in today's video. Other than that, it's exactly the same movement pattern with the bow staff. So, footwork. Forget the bow staff for now. All we're going to be doing is a 360 rotation with the body in 2 steps with an additional stance on the end. So watch. Step 1 is here, facing away from us. Step 2, back to the front and transitioning into that forward stance. Front leg nice and bent and the back leg straight. Now, here's the tricky part, linking the two together, the bow staff work with the footwork. So we're going to start with the bow staff in one hand, just slightly off center point, and that bow staff is going to start here, at the base of the spine with the wrist pointing away from us. So from our start position, we're going to take 1 step and we're going to do the first part of the bow staff spin, which is here. Step 1 to here. Now moving into step 2, you're literally going to take that second step, okay, so step it behind your front leg, continue the momentum with the bow staff, coming to here, okay, so step 2, you should finish up bow staff in both hands, okay, wrist pointing away from you at the base of your spine. So let's cover those 2 steps one more time. Step 1, 2. Good. Now this second step isn't a fixed step, it's more of a transition through before you do that final strike at the end. Step 1, here, cross above you, 2, behind you. Now notice I've not even planted that foot fully on the floor. I'm going to swing straight round, okay, continue the bow staff as if you was going to come into another round the world, but instead this time, before you would cross over, you're going to put your hand on the front of the bow staff, guide that bow staff round, coming into your forward strike. Good, and there you have it. Around the world with a full 360 body spin.